Isn't gonna be the best stick cam, but here's your arm switch. Okay, throttle cut. Oh shit! Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. And it's that steering. Woo! On the runway, baby. Ooh, shit. I got scared. It took a lot longer to do a runway. I actually didn't even check the CG. Whoa. Easy. Okay, so the sticks are real sensitive. But we're up in the air, man. It's fun. And we got the safe mode on. Whew. Don't want to lose the GoPros. We're just chilling with throttle down a little bit. This would be cool to hear. Really windy today. Yeah, it's nose heavy. Yeah, so this thing's fun. You can buy it. It's 200 bucks. Ready to fly. Let's bring it in lower. Bring it in lower, 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 lower. It's a little nose heavy. It's definitely windy. And this is on beginner mode, so you can easily fly it. And the battery was on low. See, I'm riding the trim real heavy, real hard. And I don't know how to actually adjust it, so we're gonna try to land this thing maybe. Get one more little view. Throttle down. Yeah, it's nose heavy. Very nose heavy. But look, you can just cruise it. Look at this. Just cruise it. Low throttle, no throttle. Cruising. Woo! Safe mode. Dang, I can't really speak because I've never really flown one of these things. Oh shoot. Oops.
I bought an AeroScout and crashed immediately.
Look, it hit this little pole right here. Oh, it knocked the wheel off. Oh no.
We broke the one that's in here.
All right, we have May.
Yes, titanium, metal jacket.
Not doing anything. Backwards?